China's retail and factory activities fell sharply in April as wide COVID-19 lockdowns confined workers and consumers to their homes and severely disrupted supply chains, casting a long shadow over the outlook for the world's second largest economy. Retail sales in April shrank 11.1% from a year earlier, the biggest contraction since May 2020. According to data from the National Bureau of Statistics today, factory production fell 2.9% from a year earlier, dashing expectations for a rise and the largest decline since February 2020, as antivirus measures snarled supply chains and paralyzed distribution. Full or partial lockdowns were imposed in major city centers across the country in March and April, including the most popular city, Shanghai, hitting production and consumption and heightened risk for those parts of the global economy heavily dependent on China. Ukraine's gas transit system operators over the weekend said it has resumed operations at 2 distribution stations in Kyiv region and restarted gas supply to more than 3,000 consumers. Ukraine had scores of series of successes since Russia invaded on February 24, forcing Moscow's commanders to abandon an advance on the capital Kyiv before making rapid gains to drive them from Kyiv, Ukraine's second biggest city. However, according to the operators, some 54 gas distribution stations in 7 regions of Ukraine remain shut down. And oil prices on international market fell today, powering early gains as investors took profit following a surge in previous session. Abitu in the shadow of supply fears as the European Union prepares an import ban on Russian crude and with limited increase in OPEC output. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude recorded a dip in price of 0.88% to hit $109.50 per barrel. Brent sells at $110.20, registering a downward price margin of 1.19%. Bonnie Light's performance is starting the week in the green territory with a price surge of $1.108.20 per barrel, with a price surge of 2.29%. For the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers offer $109.30, recording a price increase of 0.26%.